Hi, my name is Dr. Hardy. I'm one of the pediatricians at Pediatric Associates of Mt. Carmel. And today I was going to talk to you guys about one of the most common skin conditions that I get questions about in the office, and that's eczema. So eczema is a pretty chronic skin condition. You know, it'll come and go, and you'll notice with your children, sometimes it'll flare and then sometimes it'll be better. And so eczema is a condition really where there's a breakdown in the skin barrier. And so kids are losing some of their moisture or the water from their skin through the skin barrier. And so then what we want to do when we're treating eczema is try to restore the skin barrier. So the first thing I say is all kids who have eczema should be taking a lukewarm bath for 5 to 10 minutes every day. When they come out of the bath, when they're still a little bit damp, you can towel them off, but still damp, you want to put so this is 1% hydrocortisone that you can buy over the counter. You want to put 1% hydrocortisone on all the rough and kind of like red patches on their skin. And then let that dry for, a couple seconds. Once that has dried and they're still a little bit damp, then you want to take petroleum jelly. And so this is one that I brought from home, and this is what I have for my kids. I just use Vaseline. You can use Vaseline, you can use Aquifer, and you want to take big globs of the Vaseline and kind of just lather it all over their damp skin. And what that does is it locks in the moisture on their skin. It creates the barrier for them. Put some pajamas on them to create another kind of barrier to keep the moisture in their skin, and then have them go to bed. So you can do the hydrocortisone, the 1% hydrocortisone twice a day, and then do the Vaseline twice a day as well. If you do this treatment, for a couple weeks and you're still having issues with eczema, come back and see us in the office and we can talk about if you need a higher prescription strength steroid or other medications to treat your eczema.